guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Time check, it's 6:29. It's Monday. Ayun guys, if you are new to this channel, please visit my YouTube channel muna bago kayo mag-subscribe, and then subscribe if you want. So, ang pasok ko ngayon ay 7:30. So, dapat 7:30 nandun na daw kami sa school. Pero ngayon ay wala kaming klase. Parang intrams siya, parang sports fest ng college namin. Dapat nandun na kami ng before 7:30 or mga 7:30 kasi ibibigay yung aming shirt na isusuot talaga. Kami ay red team. Okay, so get ready with me, guys. Ganda talaga nito, guys. Paubos na siya. Juicy ST. Siya ay lip tint na may gloss. And matagal siya. Palit na nga pala, guys, ng color ulit ng braces. Kasi yung video na yun, yung naka-uniform ako ay baby pink yung kulay ng braces ko. Tapos ngayon ay violet. Violeta. Time check. It's 6:55. And ano oras ba aalis dito? Siguro mga 7:15. Kasi lagi na lang traffic dyan sa labas. Ngayon ko lang bang ganyan? Or kailangan ko pang magpusod or what kapag mainit. Ang tagal nyo, guys, sumaba ng buhok. Like, super tagal. Ano pa to, Noong December.
I had this dream that we jump in the car, we flip a coin, we follow the brightest star, leave it all behind. Yeah, and I'll just follow your heart. Since we found each other, we'll never get lost. There are no wrong turns when we're together. There are no wrong turns. You'll miss the exit and I'll just laugh. You'll drive slow and I'll keep talking fast, faster than your ears can listen. Nothing out there that we're missing anyhow. I'll just follow your heart. Since we found each other, we'll never get lost. There are no wrong turns when we're together. There are no wrong turns. Ride with you forever. When I'm with you, the road never ends. As long as there's love left to burn.
Hi guys! Ito kami sa Risa. Maya pang 1 ang start ulit ng Sepi Olympics. Wawa naman.
Mag-show ka, tapos ikaw siyang una. Kasi anong babalik ko? Sino ka? Si Rafaela. There we go again.
Ayan o.
Pangatlo na to. Pangatlo tayo. Cute, mahal na to.
Wait lang.
Uy, bantay kayo, bantay.
Hi guys! Good morning! And time check, it's 7:19. Ngayon ay second day ng aming Sepi Olympics. And hindi ko alam kung anong program ngayon. Wala kaming update kung anong program ngayon. Pero papasok pa rin kami kasi may attendance. Late na ako nagising kasi dapat 5. Pero 8 pa naman kasi yung pinaka-start. Basta nga hindi 8, nag-i-start. So, ang gagawin ko, siguro mga 8 na ako aalis dito.